Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the OBC on Bike channel with yours truly. Today we're discussing items that I carry on a ride and maybe some of the gear that I like to use also. We're going to start off with this little pouch right here. It's made by Silca. Let's crack this open and see what we got. It's a lot here, a lot to unpack. Basically, multi-tool, nice and compact. This one's made by Topeak. Doesn't have everything I need. I do need a mini torque wrench that will be replaced this. Also, little chain breaker. If you have the chain breaker, you definitely have to have a pair of quick links and a quick link pliers. Also, I run disc brakes, so I carry a disc brake alignment tool. This one's made by Hayes. Definitely carry a spare tube, just in case my tubeless setup doesn't work. Also have tire pressure gauge. Got to dial in the right PSI, you know. This one's also made by Topeak. Very nice. I've had this for a long time. Got to have an air pump. I have yet to catch up with a little electronic mini pump, but I'll get there eventually. This one's very nice. Hasn't failed me. This one works for presta and schrader. This is made by Lezyne. Just unscrews like this, and you just screw it in like so. On the other side here, like that. Screw it onto your valve and pump away. If you have a schrader valve, then you just flip it over and you get the gist. Let's put this back here. This is made by Lezyne. All right. Now, also an item that I like to carry because I have bad hands and sometimes those tubeless tires can be extremely tight fitting. I have a tire lever. This tends to work, but if this doesn't work, I bring out the big boy. Tire bead jack. It's a little bulky, but I managed to fit it in my jersey pocket. Just in case the tire lever ain't doing it for me, this definitely works. Now, let's talk about the little minor knickknacks that I carry in this bag. I have here homemade patches that I made from an old tire that was no good. Little tire patches. Little cement, preferably rubber glue. I rarely use this. This is a Dynaplug race rocket. Basically to plug in the hole in your tubeless tire when the sealant doesn't want to seal it. I barely use this. If you're running a TPU tube, you definitely need a patch for the TPU tube just in case. And I also carry these tire boots for the tires just in case I get a bad slash. Park Tool makes these. Very, very handy. They come in little packs of 3. Also, I like to carry a valve core remover. This one's made by Envy. Came with my Envy wheels. If anyone knows, I'm an Envy fanboy. Envy, if you're listening, I'll be glad to demo your wheels. I have a pair of Envy Foundation 45s. Envy, if you'd like to send me a pair of your 45s, I'd love to review them. But anyway, valve core removal tool. If you don't carry valve core removal tools, then you definitely should carry an extra set of valve cores. These valve cores are very delicate. Sometimes you might unwind them up like that and try to pump up your tire, and you might bend this or damage this. So I always carry a spare. Okay, definitely carry an extra set of quick links with the quick link pliers, just in case. Maybe you have a buddy that his chain pops and you need an extra set. I always carry. And just in case I need to run another cassette, or I carry a little extra piece of chain from a brand new one that, I sized up. Also, I carry another item here. I carry 3 of them, one to use, one to lose, and one to give away to a friend. These come in clutch when you don't have a pump and you're near a gas station. You have presta valves. Gas station pump doesn't have a compatible fitting for presta valves. Usually it's just schrader. This one basically screws onto your valve like so, and you're good to go at the gas station. I carry 3. 1, 2, and 3. Now, as far as gear that I like to use, we have here a Garmin 1030 plus. Yes, 1030 plus. Yes, I'm behind the game. I know there's a 1040 and a 1050 and so forth, but for some reason, I love the battery life on this unit. And I gotta say, and if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I have this, and I pair it up to, actually, hook it up to another nice item. This is called a Raveman FR160. This is my light that I use. I don't ride at night, I ride during the daytime. And basically what this does is, this slots onto your Garmin mount, and then your Garmin slides into this like so. Well, it's backwards. Like so. Nice, sleek profile. Now, I have my Garmin hooked up to a Garmin Varia RTL 515. Yes, there's a new model, the 715 with the camera. Not for me. This is the one for me. I've had this one for 4 years. This one died, but it was so good that I had to go buy a new one. Now, my only gripe, Garmin, if you're listening, is don't discontinue this unit. What you should do is maybe revamp it and change the micro USB plug to a USB-C plug. This micro USB sucks, and it's been known in forums that they go bad. I had mine for 4 years. I can't complain, but I got a new one. Now, anybody that knows me, I love data. It's what I do after a ride. Check out my data. I have this Garmin 1030 Plus hooked up to a pair of Garmin RS200 dual-sided power pedals, so I can measure my data and see how bad I'm getting as I get older. But anyway, if you like any of the items that you saw here or have any questions, don't forget to comment. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.